Hello! So we are back. We're going to do some team makes again because, I mean, some of us have been sewing more than others. Some of us need a bit of inspiration to get started sewing, and we thought it'd be a really good excuse to show off some of our Sew Over It exclusive fabrics. So these are fabrics that have been designed here at Sew Over It and you can only get from us, and we've got a range of them out at the moment and there's more to come as well, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. We thought we'd start off with our classic.
What are you wearing today?
Should we start down the end, Jemima? What are you wearing today?
I am wearing my Nomi dress, which I made towards the end of last year in this like bamboo jersey. So it is really cozy and comfy. But I was saying to you earlier, it doesn't feel too like casual. Like it's still like very wearable to work.
Yes.
And I just love it. I wear it all the time. Yeah.
Nice. Love the colour.
Thank you.
Really good. Nice. I am purely, like, completely on brand with a Pussy Bow blouse in one of our Sew Over It fabrics. This is the Busy Blossom in navy, which we'll talk about in a little bit, I'm sure. But yeah, I love this shirt. Again, it's so comfy to wear, but I feel quite dressy and put together, so I like it.
I love these cuffs as well.
But yes, the cuffs are a little hack that Lisa did first. So the Pussy Bow blouse usually has little cuffs with a button, I think, which looks really pretty, but it's less practical for me personally. I like to do this a lot to wash the dishes, cook and everything like that. Otherwise it gets a little bit fiddly. So
I love that look, like with the elasticated cuffs and then like tucked into the jeans. Like,
Oh yeah, and also I'm wearing the Peggy trousers.
I was going to say,
forgot. So these are my denim Peggy trousers. I've added pockets to it because I add pockets to everything.
Yeah.
But they're so like roomy and great. I love them.
You've got all like the little practical tips.
Yeah, you have.
Something super nice, but making it dead easy.
Yeah. I need to be comfortable. Yeah. And you?
So I'm wearing yet another, you might have seen yet another of my Bilberry t-shirt hacks.
I love.
So this is the Bilberry t-shirt, it's just a plain t-shirt, and I've made it into a midi dress with, I've got little slits up the side, and I think this is my third version now.
Amazing.
So
I think it looks expensive. Like, I know it's a t-shirt, but it looks like if you went to like a really nice shop for your knits. Do you know what I
I'll
mean?
take that.
It's
I'll
just
have
so
that.
good, and the colour we were commenting. Your top
So
stitching
nice.
there.
So much.
Is it 3/4 length sleeves?
Yeah, so
okay.
touch down to there. So yeah, I lengthened the sleeve, and actually this is a thicker fabric than I've used for the other ones. And I've noticed it's the first time I've worn it today that it's a little bit big, so I think for heavier fabrics I could probably bring in the sleeve a little bit more. But for lighter ones, it's quite nice. So
It's so hardly
you
noticeable
kind of
anyway.
that's it. It's one of those things that you like notice yourself.
Yeah.
No one else will until I tell you all about it.
Yeah, now it's public information.
That's it. Yeah. I always find that though when you make something in a different fabric, suddenly you're like,
Yes,
oh, it
it
works
changes.
a little bit different in this.
Yeah,
Okay.
especially with knits, I
Yeah.
find. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, true.
quite changeable.
So less about what we're
making.
wearing.
Yeah, more about what we will be wearing.
Exactly.
So the idea that we had is to make something that we can wear at the Stitch Festival, which is coming up beginning of March. So we'll be selling our fabrics, our beautiful Sew Over It fabrics, and we thought we could make something, one of our patterns in them, just to show them in action, so people can see them move and, you know, imagine all the possibilities.
So the fabrics that we've got at the moment, so the ones that came out first out of this collection are the Busy Blossoms over here. So we've got Busy Blossom Black, which is quite nice, bright. So Busy Blossom we had previously on cotton a few years ago. So this
There
has
were
been
other colours as well, yes.
there were
I
yes, so
remember.
there was other colours and there were slightly other designs as well. And we brought those back in a viscose. I think the black is almost gone, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the last of both of them.
That's it?
Yeah, that's going to be it. So, yeah, they're sold really fast.
Nice.
And then on the same base, so on this nice kind of buttery viscose, we've got Wildflower. So Wildflower Blue is another one of our previous designs. In this Wildflower Indigo, it's called now. It's got an upgrade. So
sounds more elegant.
It's grown up.
it's nice. It's got this pink on it, the bright blue as well, and it's quite bright. But we brought out a kind of more subtle version of that as well, which is Wildflower Charcoal. So this one's brand new.
It's so soft.
So soft.
And then the newest member of the fold is Esmeralda, which is beautiful.
I love
It's kind of
her.
rich green. It's almost like, is it leopard print? Is
Yes,
it floral?
yeah, that's exactly it.
I really like the ambiguity going
Yeah.
on there.
So cool.
But yeah, we're going to make up an outfit
of
to
things.
show off what patterns everyone thinking of.
So, I've decided to go for Esmeralda because I think it's beautiful, and I really like the color combination. I feel it's quite good for right now, but also will look amazing in the summer.
Yes.
So I'm very lucky. Soon I'm heading to Central America, where my family is, who I haven't seen in over 2 years, and I finally see them and some sunshine, which is very exciting. So I'm thinking I want to make something that I can wear here now with tights and layers, but also that when I'm on holiday I can wear it and style it in a different way. So that's why I've chosen Esmeralda, and I'm thinking it could be very, very pretty for the Neve skirt, I think.
Ooh, yes.
A maxi Neve will look so good. And this has so much drape and movement that I think Neve would just like float about, which would be amazing. And yes, if a maxi one I can wear with tights and boots, and then just sandals when I'm in the heat. So that's one option. Another option, I was reminded of the Ella blouse,
Yes.
which I hadn't really thought about in a while, but we got a sample out the other day, and I thought, oh, now that's really cute, because again, I could wear it now as the main top. It's a wrap top
Really
with
pretty.
like 3/4
Yeah.
or full sleeves, and it wraps up
yeah.
here.
Sits at your sort of natural waist.
At the
doesn't
waist,
it?
yeah, and I thought it could be, just as almost as a cover up for the beach, or like just on top of a strappy top in the summer. But now I could wear it as is, and so that's another option. And then my third option would be the ultimate culottes.
Yes.
Which again, I'm thinking practicality and wearability in different seasons. So now I think that would look great,
Oh, it
just
looks
with
so
a
good.
jumper and
Yes.
boots, but also in the summer maybe with a matching top of some
Yeah.
sort, which I don't know. how
So
much
it
I
looks
can
like a
get.
fake jumpsuit
Yes,
type thing.
exactly, the
That'd
faux
be
jumpsuit
nice.
effect. So that could
Oh, it'd be
look
so
really
swishy
cool.
and
I know.
lovely. Oh, it
And I'm
looks so good.
thinking with the culottes it would be like the effect of the Neve skirt almost, because it would flow, but the comfort of trousers, which I do tend to prefer. So we'll see. But
Good
yeah,
choices.
those are my season crossing, season straddling options.
You've thought about this so
I
much
know,
more than I have.
I lie awake, honestly. At the end of the day, I'm like, what can I make? It's always-
I think I went with. I don't know. I think I just went with, what do I like?
Yeah. There you go.
Little look through the website, and I think I'm between 3,
Ooh.
maybe 4. So
Okay.
I've been looking at the Florence dress.
Oh, Florence looks so good.
Yeah, little button up
Maxi.
maxi. Again, probably quite sort of good now for jumpers and tights,
Yeah.
but will work really well for spring as well when it starts to
Definitely.
get a bit warmer soon.
One day. One day.
And also Heidi as well.
Oh,
Like,
yes.
vibe, yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
but then I think I've fallen. I think I know what I'm going to make. Is I've been wanting to make a Giselle dress for
Ooh.
ages and ages, because I just think it's such a nice.
So beautiful.
It's like a nice neat bodice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like the panel skirt with the little slit
A
up the
slit, you love a
side.
slit.
I do.
You love a
I
slit.
do. Yeah, I like a long skirt with a little bit of
slit
something.
breaks great. Yeah.
Yeah. But then I thought I might try it with the Eve. So Eve has got a lovely little flutter sleeve.
Wow.
So
nice.
it'll be like quite neat and nice, but then a little bit of
Little
excitement on the
flutter.
shoulders.
Yes. Yeah. I like that.
So yeah, I'm
Such a
pretty
good-
sure.
so
I mean,
quite-
things might change, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to go for.
Nice.
Oh,
And
and
which
then
fabric?
Yeah, which fabric?
Were you thinking?
oh,
That's the choice.
I was torn between going bright, because contrary to what I'm wearing today, I don't wear very many bright clothes, or for going classic with the wildflower
yeah.
charcoal.
Nice.
Because I've had, when we brought out this range before, we did a burgundy, and it was these
burgundy
kind of soft, sort of muted colours, and I really like that. So I'm leaning towards the charcoal.
I think that'd be so sophisticated.
So elegant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But nothing has been cut out yet.
Sleeve. No.
Nothing has been washed, so
Nothing is set in fabric
until
yet.
get those scissors to it. I don't know.
Oh, but that sounds exciting, and I love a hack. So yeah,
Exactly,
sleeves
yeah.
from the Eve.
They're my favourite sleeves
Body.
as well. The Eve
Oh,
sleeves
so
are so
beautiful.
pretty. Yeah.
It's nice. You get like a little bit of coverage,
Yeah.
but
But
it-
the
it's,
floatiness
yeah,
of
it's
summer
a softness
weather.
to it.
Yeah.
And also,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a pattern hack that you don't actually have to do much pattern
No.
hacking. I'll hopefully just be able to put the one on the other.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe a little bit of easing to make sure everything fits right, but well, I'll report back.
Yes,
Fingers crossed.
yes, it does.
Be nice and easy.
Nice. Jemima.
Cool. So I think I'm going to make the new Ada dress.
Ah,
'Cause I
yes,
love it. And
it's good.
I've made loads of like useful, practical, comfortable things recently. Like, so I've made some joggy bottoms and some like plain turtlenecks, and I just really want to make something really pretty.
Yes.
Like a pretty
Right.
dress for spring. And I'm a little bit nervous about it because I've never done the sharing before, but I know that you've got
There's
a
a tutorial on
fantastic
Stitch
video on
Store.
Stitch Store. So hopefully it'll be fine. I'm sure
Hopefully
it will
that
be.
will help.
Yes.
It's one of those things I think that it sounds and looks more
Yeah.
intimidating
Oh,
than it is.
yeah, 100%,
Right? It's
yeah.
once you start doing it, you're like, oh, it's just sewing.
Yeah,
It's not a
stretchy
mystery.
thread.
Yeah.
Yes. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna. I've
exciting.
decided definitely on Busy Blossom, but just not totally which
Which colour?
colour. And we were talking about it a little bit last week, weren't we? About how maybe the blue is a little bit more everyday.
I feel like that, yeah.
And this one's
there's
maybe a little bit
something
more
special.
dressy.
Yeah.
And I think maybe I'm leaning towards the more dressy, but I don't know.
I mean, if you're making the
Yeah,
pretty
yeah, go for the
Ada
pattern
dress,
Exactly.
you might as well go all out.
I think so, and I think I've got some like nice black boots they would work with. I always like to try and make it fit in with my wardrobe
Yeah.
already.
Yeah.
So
So nice.
yeah, but not totally decided. One or the other, I think.
Interesting. I think we, with spring, at least the thought of spring approaching,
Yeah.
we're all going for pretty.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
a sense, right?
I think
It's
in these
we're
fabrics as well.
excited to
Yeah.
to make something that's a little bit.
I think so, yeah. I
dressy
think
and
you've hit it on the
special,
head.
yeah.
I've been making quite a lot of cosy.
Yeah.
Even this is
Winter,
super like
yeah.
cozy, easy
Same
makes.
with this, yeah.
And it's nice to,
To just
do
hope
some, like, oh,
that we can go to things. Well, even just like the Stitch Festival, it feels like
Yeah.
a thing that we're going to.
it
It's
is.
been a while. So yeah, hopefully you'll see us, you'll catch us. We'll be a stand G9.
yeah, yeah.
And we'll be there with lots of exciting offers exclusive to the show, and with wanting to chat sewing as always.
Please. We've missed it.
Definitely. So hopefully see you there. We have an offer, a code to get cheaper tickets, so we'll put that in the description, and of course all the links to the fabrics. And we can't wait to see you there in our new e-mates, hopefully.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good
We've got
luck.
to start sewing.
Yeah,
Bye.
sewing to do.
Perfect.
Bye.
See you later.